put your camera on a tripod, you can use either land or portrait mode. Walking and do as if you are trying to escape from danger. Imaginary, okay? You are looking for escape routes, both side and at the back. Look at what I am going to be doing now. Just demonstrate all this. Then you can look at back and look as if, hey, where do I escape from now? Then after that, you can now just turn around after the whole demonstration and do as if you are shocked, that kind thing now. Then after this, you can stay for a few seconds. Then you can now walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, click on CapCut, new projects. Then you click on photos. All right, you import this your background you want to use for this video. You click it and drag it to the duration of your video. Then after that, you come back. You are going to be marking anywhere now to click on overlay. So click on overlay here, add overlay. All right, locate this your serpent, then you import it, this very one, import it to work space. All right, you are going to be clicking on volume to reduce it to 0. Then you click on it and go and look for remove BG. Look for remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG, chroma key, you drag it to the green point, mark on this good, go back and click it again, locate adjust. All right, click on adjust now, HSL, go and look for it, click on HSL here, mark on green, then you reduce saturation to 100%, reduce it and mark on this good. Then you go back. At this point, you click on the serpent layer. You are going to be positioning it the way you want it to be. Look at the serpent, so you position it. After your positioning, this is how it's going to be. Then you come back now. You are clicking on add overlay again, add overlay. Then you locate your video. You want to import this your video to work space. All right, then you go and look for where you want the video to end. This your video where you want it to end. All right, immediately you do this your hand, you mark on it and make a split and delete the last part. You come back and click it, you go and look for remove BG. As you click it, locate remove BG. All right, click on remove BG now. You click on auto removal, it is applying. Look at it there, you allow it to apply 100%. But at this point, guys, tell us what magic effect you would like us to create next. Would you like us to make a video on eyes on the dark? If you need any of that, drop it at the comment section. You might be lucky we pick yours. All right, if you love what we are doing, you love our videos, smash your like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe for more updates. All right, welcome back to this tutorial. Look at it, it has removed completely. Mark on this good now, then you go back. Then this is the character, click on it and position yourself the way you want yourself to be. After that, this is how it's going to be. But guys, we want to remove that sound we just had. We don't need it. It's at the third layer, the main video. You click it and click on sound, reduce it to 0, mark on this good, then you go back. Now look at it, the sound has gone out. Then you come back and click on add overlay. All right, then you import your snake, your second snake. As we import it now, we are going to be, let us remove that sound first. Locate sound, click on sound, reduce it to 0, mark on this good, you go back, then you go and look for remove BG. All right, click on remove BG now, chroma key, drag it to green point, mark on this good, you go back, click it and go and look for adjust like we normally do. You click on adjust, HSL, click on green and reduce saturation to 100%. You mark on that good and go back. The next thing we are going to be doing now is to go and look for duplicate. Duplicate this one, you click it and bring it under the other ones. Bring it under from the beginning. Then you are going to click it again to go and look for transform. We want to turn one of them the other way around. So look for transform, all right? Go and look for transform, okay? Click on transform here, then you click on mirror. This is mirror here. Click on that mirror. Look at it, it has done. So shift this one this side. Shift, click on the other layer, shift the other one. Position it the way you want it to be. So at this point, you are going to be doing your necessary adjustment, so that it will look good. All right. Do your necessary adjustment. You can see I'm doing mine. Make sure you position the whole snake well and position yourself very well as well. Okay. After that, we are going to play it. As we are playing it, any amendment or adjustment we see, we make our adjustments or corrections. But if there is none, we are going to can see that the background is too long. Make a split on it. You delete that part, delete the last part, click it and adjust it. Now you click the layers one after the other to trim all of them to be equal to each other. That is what I am doing now. Trim them one by one. After trimming them, we are going to be playing the video from the beginning now to see what we have got. This is the video. Remember to add your sound effect, your light effect, every other effect. After adding them, you export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add any of that. I want you to put me through. At the description of this video, my number is there. DM me, I am going to put you through. And after that, you click on that export there. Then you export this video to your gallery. As you can see, that is exporting. Now, this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, tell us what magic effect you would like us to create next. If you love what we are doing, you love our video, smash your like button. Remember to turn on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay guys, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.